Step 1. Download this app where you can play to earn money. Step 2. Play your favorite games. Step 3. Earn $1,000 every week by just playing games. The name of the site. I have tried this app myself and I will show my earning with you in a minute. Also, I will show you a live payment proof from the site. It's completely free to use this app, and you can use this on your Android or iOS device, or you can also use your laptop or computer for this. And the good thing is that right now this app is working in many different countries. People like you and me are earning over $1,000 every week from this app. The top earner has even made over $7,000 from this app. They have paid over $1 million to its users. Now you might be wondering, how are all these people making so much money on a single app? Is this even real? Well, I will have you know that this is absolutely real, and these people down here are able to earn this much because the app we are talking about pays you real money to just play games on your phone. Playing games to make money is only one of many side hustles we talk about on this channel, and in this video I want to show you a new app that you can use to do this. In first step I will show you the app and the games which you can play to earn money online. In second step I will show you how you can double or even triple your earnings using a secret methods of making money playing games. And in the third step I will show you my earnings on this site and the amount I have withdrawn from the site. So like this video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on so that you don't miss any of my latest and working strategies to make money online, and stay tuned till the end to make the most amount of money on this app. Now the first step is to come over to this site called prizes.gamee.com. This is Prizes by Gamee, owned by the company called Gamee, which is a gaming platform that allows you to make money using any of their applications. It's getting really popular right now on the internet, and a lot of people are finding out about this app. People are sharing their earnings from Gamee on many different platforms, and I know you can't wait anymore to make money with this. So the first step is to download this app on your mobile device. If you have Android phone, the app will look like this, and if you have iPhone, the app will look like this. And if you're using laptop or computer, you simply need to come over to the site. Make sure you download the right app. I will also leave a link to this app in the description of this video so you can easily download it. Now click on the sign in option on the homepage and register to this platform using your Facebook or your email. Once you log in for the first time, they will give you a 100 points for free which you can claim instantly. They pay out over $32,000 in prizes every single week. They are even going to show you how much they have paid out today so far, which is $135. And there are a lot of different ways to make money with this new app which I am going to reveal you. One of these ways is to spin the fortune wheel, as you can see here. All you have to do is click on it and spin it, and you can earn real money just by doing this. I just earned $1 for spinning. You get 2 spins for free every day, but you can do this over and over again and continue winning more prizes by clicking on this button, which will give you 2 more spins every time you watch an ad. Later I will show you my earning, and I will withdraw my earnings in front of you, so keep watching. The good thing is that you can cash out your earnings directly to your PayPal account as soon as you hit $10, which is absolutely amazing because you don't need a lot of money before you can withdraw your earnings, and earning $10 on this app is very easy. Now the other way to make money on this app is by playing games that they have, so I want you to select any of these games available on this app. One of my favorite games is this one here called Color Hit. It's really challenging and really engaging. All you have to do is to hit the parts of the target with the same color as that of your pins, otherwise you will hit wrong target and will lose. So it's kind of challenging. You have to target the right color at the right time, and trust me, it is a really fun and entertaining game to play. And don't forget, you're making money by playing these games. And once you complete this, you will see how much you have made from playing this game right here. As you can see, I just got some more tickets. And in case you're wondering what exactly these tickets do for you, well, the more tickets you have, the more money you make, and the more giveaways that you can participate in. So start collecting as many tickets as you can, and you can do this by playing all the games they have on this app. Now the second step to double or even triple your earnings from this app is to come over to the prizes section over here. You can see that I have to collect only 10,000 more tickets to be able to enter this giveaway and stand a chance to win some of this free money. And earning 10,000 tickets is just a matter of 30 minutes because you can double your tickets every time you earn them. For example, you played any game and earned some points. Now you can see this option of double it. Just click on this and it will show you an ad. Watch the ad, and after that you will be able to collect double the amount of tickets you earned. Now if you click on this button right here, it will show you the prize pool page. As you can see, it's going to show you how much you can win depending on where you are in the leaderboard. Such as the first person will get $750, second to fifth prize will earn you $100 per person, sixth to 10th prize will earn you $10 per person, and so on. On the prizes section, you will find other free giveaways also, like this $10,000 jackpot, $10 in cash, and $100 in cash. To win this $10,000 jackpot, all you have to do is to click on this yellow box under this. And then you have to choose 5 random numbers and 1 lucky number. Now you have to wait for the time mentioned over here to see the results, and you can win up to $10,000 in cash. Same is the case in $10 and $100 in cash giveaways. The only difference is, you just have to click on this get a lucky number button, and it will show you an ad. Watch the ad, and then skip it, and you will be given a random number. Now you have to fill in all these fields by clicking on this button and watching ads. The only way you can participate in all of this is by earning more tickets, which you can earn by playing as many games as you can. Of course you can earn tickets with other ways like finishing missions in games, inviting friends, spinning the fortune wheel, joining tournaments, and many more. But playing games is by far the easiest way to earn tickets here. It's fun and of course it earns you a lot of tickets if you happen to complete your missions. And the Gamee has the best collection of games. It never lets you feel bored because you can choose from hundreds of fun and challenging games to make money. Just click on any of these and it's going to load the game page for you, and you can start playing immediately and start collecting those tickets. And because you guys are still watching, I have a secret bonus tip for you which will help you to earn 10 times more tickets as compared to others in less time. For this you have to click on top offers section right here and it will take you to this page. As you can see, you can play your favorite and popular games here and you will earn anywhere between 4,000 tickets up to 300,000 tickets per game you play. And there are a lot of games which you can play from top offers. All you have to do to earn these tickets is to install the game and finish the certain levels in the games. As you can see right here, the top earner of all time has made over $7,000 on her account, and there are a lot of other people making money just like this, and you can earn like them. If you are regular and active on your account, there's a lot of money to be made in this app, but it's not going to happen if you don't spend time in this app. So make sure you're always active on this, play the games, participate in all of this, invite your friends, and do everything you can to make sure that you're collecting those tickets so that you can participate in the giveaways. They're always giving away money in here, so you have to check and make sure you're joined on every single giveaway that is being hosted. They also have some live tournaments which you can absolutely participate in. It will also earn you tickets if you get first place playing these tournaments. For this, you obviously have to be good at playing these games because you are competing against a bunch of other people inside of this app, and it is very fun process. Now the third step is the withdrawal process. Before I show you my earnings, I would like to explain the concept of Gamee app with you. Basically this app earns money from the different ads we watch and the different apps that we install, and they share their revenue with us in return for playing games and spending time on their app. So here are my earnings from this app. As you can see, I have earned over $76 on this app and over 13,000 tickets by just playing games. And now I will withdraw these earnings to my PayPal account. For this, you have to open the app in your phone and click on withdraw option, and on this page you can see the amount you have earned till now. Now again click on the withdraw button, and on the next page fill in your personal details, your address, and your financial credentials. And then scroll down a little bit and click this "I declare the above stated is true," and then hit submit on the bottom. Now wait for some time, and as you can see, my PayPal account has been credited with the amount of $76 from Gamee. So now you can trust that this app actually works and pays you money, and this is the fastest way to earn $1,000 by just playing games. Comment down below more payment-proof videos if you want me to make more videos like this. That's it for today. Subscribe to the channel and